Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So as you all know children that this week we have started with our English language we have started with our new chapter, that is chapter number 5 of nouns and kinds of nouns. So I hope children you all have understood the topic as we have done from last 3 days we are doing this chapter, and I hope yesterday in the manner which I have explained you, I hope you all have understood it very clearly. Yesterday I have only explained you the topic of nouns without using book. Okay, without using your book, without reading, I have explained you the topic of noun in a very playway manner, and I hope you all have understood it very clearly. And with that, in part 2 video I have given you the assignment of your notebook, English language notebook. So I hope you all have completed that. Now today I am going to explain you the topic of kinds of nouns without using your book. Okay, as I have told you yesterday also that we will divide this full chapter in 2 parts. First I will explain you nouns and then I will explain you kinds of nouns. So in the same manner today I will be explaining you kinds of nouns without using books. So as you can see on my table, there are a lot of things kept, and you must have you can make an idea that why I have kept all these things. You must have come to know that why I have kept all these things. Now here it is a kind of an activity which I am going to do with you all, so please listen to it carefully and understand the topic of kinds of nouns. So are you all ready for this activity children? Very good. So you don't have to do it on your own, you just have to listen to it very carefully, because I am doing this activity just to explain you the topic of kinds of noun without using books. Okay, so let's get started without wasting any time. As you can see on my table, there is a paper in which I have written all the words. I have written this thing here, and there are 3 more pages. One page is made on one page which is kept there. I have made one cloud, big cloud, and in that cloud I have written common nouns. Then in this second page I have again made the same type of cloud and written proper nouns, and in the third page again I have made a cloud and I have written here collective nouns. Is that clear? Now 3 clouds for 3 different kinds of nouns. Clear to you all? And I am using 3 different color. I am using 3 different pens, different colored pens. Okay, green pen will be used to write common nouns. Blue pen will be used to write proper nouns, and orange pen will be used to write collective noun. Is that clear? So first of all, what you have to do, you just have to just listen to what the activity what I am explaining to you. Okay, in this activity children, through this activity I am going to explain you the difference between common, proper and collective nouns. Okay, so kinds of nouns, you all know that there are 3 types of nouns. First one is common noun, then second is proper noun, and the third one is collective noun. Common nouns क्या थे? As you all remember, कॉमन नाउन्स वो होते हैं जिनको हमने कोई पर्टिकुलर नेम नहीं दिया होता, वो जस्ट किसी एक कैटेगरी के नाम को हम बोलते हैं कॉमन नाउन्स, लाइक बॉय, गर्ल, ओके, एनिमल्स, like this, birds. These are all common nouns because we are not giving a definite proper name to them. Now coming to the next part, that is proper noun. So as you all know that what is a proper noun? Proper noun क्या होते हैं? जिनको हम एक particular name देते हैं. Like girl का name अगर हमने दिया है राधा, तो that name is known as proper noun. Is that clear? Now if I have written rose, 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 that means I am talking about a flower which and using the name of a flower, that is rose. So rose flower को हम क्या कहाँ पे रखेंगे? प्रॉपर नाउन में, क्योंकि हमने वहाँ पे एक फ्लावर का नेम डिफाइन किया है. एंड इफ वी आर यूजिंग अ वर्ड लाइक आर्मी, ओके, आर्मी ऑफ सोल्जर्स, और वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड फ्लीट, फ्लीट ऑफ ships, okay, fleet of ships. So then again this word fleet and army will be in the category of collective noun, because collective noun means it is a collection of many things which are of same category. Ships, अगर एक साथ सारी ships खड़ी हैं तो that means fleet of ships. Okay. Soldiers, आर्मी. सोल्जर्स मीन्स बहुत सारे सोल्जर्स क्या बनाते हैं, एक आर्मी बनाते हैं. सो द वर्ड आर्मी विल बी योर कलेक्टिव नाउन. बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स, जब आप किसी को पार्टी में जाते हो, किसी को बुके देते हो, फ्लावर्स का एक पूरा ग्रुप देते हैं, तो दैट इज नोन एज बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स. देन द वर्ड बुके विल ऑल्सो कम अंडर द category of collective nouns. Is that clear? So let's get started with our today's activity, and you can understand from this very clearly. First of all, what you have to do, read the words carefully and arrange them in the correct clouds. I have written here because I have made 3 clouds, one of common noun, second is of proper noun, and the third one is of collective noun. Okay, so in these 3 clouds you have to categorize all these words. So there are around 30 words I have given. So that means 10 words for each category. Okay, like 10 words for common nouns, 10 words for proper nouns, and 10 words for collective nouns. So let's get started with our activity as soon as possible, children. Okay, all ready? Very good. So the first word, as you can see, is the Bible. Now what is the Bible? Bible is the holy book of Christians. You all know that. And here we have given a particular name, the Bible, and it is also written with capital letter. That means it is the word from which category? Common noun, proper noun, or collective noun? Correct. It is a proper noun. Proper noun में हम इसको लिखेंगे. So coming to the proper noun, okay, like this. In this cloud we will write the THE, the Bible. BIBLE, Bible. This is the first word. Okay, clear to you all how you have how I am doing this exercise, how I am doing this whole activity to get to make you understand. Now coming to the next word, so we have underlined this word as we have completed it, the Bible. Okay, now we will put I will put my pen here again, and I will read the next word, that is flower. FLOWER, flower. Okay, so you all know the word flower. Where will it come? Under a common noun, proper noun, or collective noun? Yes, very correct. Very good. The word flower will come under common noun. It will come in the cloud of common noun. Why? Because here we have not mentioned the name of a flower. We have not given any name of a flower. We have only written flower. So I will pick up my green pen for this category, and I will write the first word, that is FLOWER, flower. Is that clear to you all, children, how I am writing this? Very good. Now I will again underline this word here so that we will come to know that we have completed this word. Clear? Now coming to the next word, that is boy. Okay, BOY, boy. Now boy is the word in which we have not given any particular name of a boy. We have only said boy. So boy will come under common noun. Very good. So again we will go to the cloud of common noun, and here we will write BOY, boy. Is that clear? I hope you all are getting this topic very clearly. Now coming to the next word, and we will mark it here also that we have completed all the 3 words of the first line. Next word, sunflower. Now where the word sunflower is the name of a flower, particular name of a flower. It is a kind of a flower which is known as sunflower. So sunflower का नाम हमने बताया है, एक फ्लावर का नाम हमने बताया है क्या, sunflower. तो ये कहाँ पे आएगा? Very good. It will come under the heading of proper noun. Proper noun में आएगा sunflower. Clear? So here we will write under the heading of proper noun, SUN, sun, FLOWER, flower, sunflower. And again here we will mark it as we have completed this word. Now coming to the next word, that is Taj Mahal. Now the Taj Mahal, again written in capital letter. That means it is a proper noun. When the word is written in capital letter, we can automatically understand that it is a proper noun. Okay, so again we will pick up a blue pen and I will write this in the cloud of proper noun. What we have to write? Taj, Taj Mahal, 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 Taj Mahal. And here again we will mark it as we have completed it. Now coming to the next word. Our next word is flock. Flock, flock. Now what is a flock? It is a group of sheep. Okay, sheep का जो group होता है, बहुत सारी sheep का जो group होता है, that is known as flock. So where it will come? Under common noun, proper noun or collective noun? Very good children. It will come under the heading of collective noun because बहुत सारा collection है sheep का जो कि क्या form कर रहा है? Flock. So again we will pick up our orange pen. Okay, and I will write it here like this. Flock, flock. So the word flock will come under collective noun. Is that clear? So we will mark it here that we have completed this word. Now coming to the next word, that is army. ARMY, army. Now again army is a word which will come under collective noun. Why? Because army क्या है? ग्रुप ऑफ सोल्जर्स. बहुत सारे सोल्जर्स के ग्रुप को मिला के एक आर्मी बनता है. दैट इज वाई इट विल कम अंडर कलेक्टिव नाउन. सो आई विल पिक अप माई ऑरेंज पेन एंड आई विल राइट हियर ARMY, army. Is that clear, children? I hope you all are understanding it very clearly and I hope you all are enjoying this. Now again we will underline the word army as we have written it. Now coming to the next word, that is book. BOOK, book. Now where the word book will come? It will come under the heading of common noun. Why? Because we know that here we have not described any name of a particular book. We have just said book. So with our green pen we will write here BOOK, book. Is that clear to you all, children? Very good. After writing book here, we will just underline it here also. Then coming to the next word, that is city. Now you all know the word city is not mentioned, the proper city, name of city is not mentioned. So we will write it in common noun only. Okay, CITY, city, like this. And again we will put a dash here. Then coming to the next word, which is river. Again here we have not described the name of a particular river. So we will write it in common noun. So here we will write river in this common noun cloud. Okay, and we will mark it here. Then comes the next word, that is Sunday. As you can see, it is written with a capital S. So automatically we will know that this is a proper noun, name of a particular day. So we will write it under the column and in the cloud of proper noun. So what we have to write? The name of a day, that is Sunday. Is that clear? And we will mark it here. Clear? Then comes the word team. Now what is the word team? Team means it is a it will come under the collective noun. Why? Because group of players make one team. Okay, so we will write it under the heading of collective noun. TEAM, team. Is that clear? And we will underline it here. Then comes the next word, English. Now English, as it is written in capital letter, so that means English is a word which will come under proper noun. So here in the cloud of proper noun we will write the word ENGLISH, English. Is that clear? So our word English is also completed. Now coming to the next word, the Ganga. Now the Ganga is a name of a river. It is a proper name of a river which is written here and it is starting with capital letter. So again it is a proper noun. So we will write it in the cloud of proper noun. So what we will write? The Ganga. GANGA, Ganga. Okay, now here we will mark it as we have completed it also. Now coming to the next word, that is car. Now car is the word which is a common noun as we have not described the name of a car. Okay, so again it will be written under common noun, CAR, car. Clear to you all? Next comes, and again here we will mark it as we have completed this word also. Next word is girl, and girl, the name of a girl is not mentioned, so it will come under, again it will come under common noun. So here we will write GIRL, girl, and we will mark it here. Is that clear? So I hope you all have. Coming to the next word, that is bunch, bunch, bunch. So as you all know, bunch means it is a collection of something like keys. Okay, bunch of keys, bunch of grapes. So it is a collection of many keys or many grapes. So that is known as collective noun. So in the column of collective noun, in the cloud of collective noun, we will write the word bunch, 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 like this. Is that clear? And again here we will mark it as we have completed this word. Now coming to the next word, that is herd, H-E-R-D, herd. Now a herd is again a word which will come under collective noun. Why? Because herd of cattle, बहुत सारे काउस या बहुत सारे जो बफलोज हैं एक साथ जब हम उनको लेके जाते हैं, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ हर्ड ऑफ काउस ऑफ बफलोज. ओके, सो हर्ड is a word which will come in the cloud of collective noun. So here in the collective noun we will write H-E-R-D, herd. Okay, now coming to the next word is country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. Now here the name of a country is not given, only the word country is given. So that means it is a word of common noun. Okay, it will come under common noun. So we will write it here, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. Is that clear to you all? I hope you all have understood, and here also we will mark as we have completed it. Now coming to the next word, that is Seema, S-E-E-M-A, Seema. Seema is a name of a girl and it is written in capital letter. That means it is a proper noun. So we will write it in the cloud of proper noun. So here we will write it S-E-E-M-A, Seema. Is that clear? So this word is also completed. Next is Mumbai. This is also a proper noun because it is written with capital letter and it is a name of a city, it is a name of a place. Okay, so again in the cloud of proper noun we will write the word Mumbai, M-U-M-B-A-I, Mumbai. Next word after Mumbai we have completed. Next word is fleet, fleet of ship. सो शिप का जो फ्लीट होता है, एक साथ जब शिप्स रहती हैं जहाँ पे रखी जाती हैं, दैट इज नोन एज अ फ्लीट. सो फ्लीट इज अगेन अ कलेक्शन, इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ शिप. सो वी विल राइट इट इन अ कलेक्टिव नाउन, इन द क्लाउड ऑफ कलेक्टिव नाउन. इज दैट क्लियर? सो हियर वी विल राइट we will write fleet, F-L-E-E-T, fleet. Is that clear to you all? So this word is also completed. Now coming to the next word, that is park. Now park is a place where we go to play, we go to sit, we go for walking. Okay, so park is a place, but here the name of a park is not described. Okay, only park is written. So we will write it in the cloud of common noun. Okay, so common noun के cloud में हम park को लिखेंगे. So here we will write P-A-R-K, park. Clear to you all? And here we will complete this word. Then comes bird. So bird again is a common noun because we don't know the name of a bird, either it is a parrot or sparrow. If we have given the word parrot or sparrow, then it would come in proper noun, but here it will come in common noun. So we will write it in the column of common noun, B-I-R-D, bird. Is that clear, children? Is India. So India is the name of a country and it is written in capital letters, so it will come under proper noun. So we will write here India in proper noun, I-N-D-I-A, India. Is that clear? Here we will mark that we have done. Next is bouquet, B-O-U-Q-U-E-T, bouquet. Bouquet is a collection of फ्लावर्स. ओके, एक साथ जो फ्लावर्स का ग्रुप होता है उसको हम बुके बोलते हैं. सो इट विल कम इन कलेक्टिव नाउन. सो वी विल राइट हियर B-O-U-Q-U-E-T, bouquet. Is that clear? And here we will mark it as we have completed this word also. Now only 3 words are left: choir, crowd and group. Now all these 3 words, choir is a group of singers. एक साथ जब बहुत सारे singers जब song करते हैं, perform करते हैं, that is known as a choir. Crowd, a group of many people. Okay, बहुत सारे लोगों का एक, जब बहुत सारे लोग एक जगह पे इकट्ठा होके रहते हैं तो that is known as a crowd. और group, एक बहुत सारे लोगों का अगर ग्रुप है तो दैट इज नोन एज अ ग्रुप. बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठे होके खड़े, ग्रुप बना के खड़े, वी से. सो दीज 3 वर्ड्स, choir, crowd and group, will come under the collective noun. Okay, so first we will write here CHOIR, choir. Then next is crowd, 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 and the last one is GROUP, group. Is that clear? So children, I hope you all have understood all these three kinds of nouns very clearly. I hope you must have understood it very clearly because I have explained it to you in a very elaborated manner today. Each word I have explained it to you very nicely. So till my next video, in my next part video, children, switch on to it as I will be giving you one notebook exercise. Hello children, welcome back to our part 2 video of today's assignment. As you all know that today's assignment we are doing chapter number 5 in English language, which is on the topic of nouns and kinds of nouns. Okay, so yesterday as I have explained you the topic of nouns in part 1 video without using book, and in second part video I have given you one notebook exercise, as well as in the same manner today also in part 1 video I have explained you the topic of kinds of nouns without using book, and in this video, part 2 video, I will be giving you book exercises. But make sure first of all I will be giving you today only the topic of kinds of nouns to be written in your notebooks. Okay, the introduction part of kinds of nouns. So are you all ready for your introduction part? Very good. So for that you have to take out your English language notebooks and turn to a new page so that we can start with that work. Okay. As you all know that whenever we start with a new topic or a new chapter, we start it from a new page. So we are starting with a new topic of kinds of noun today. So it will be started from a new page. So first of all, you will write down today's date. But before starting with this video, children, I want to show you the work which I gave you yesterday in English language notebook. So this was your three pages work which I gave you yesterday, in which first of all I gave you the definition of noun with its examples. Okay, and then I gave you one exercise in which I have given you some words, and you have to arrange them accordingly to the category where it should be placed. Okay, if the word is to be placed in persons column, place column, animal column, or thing column. So this was yesterday's work which I gave you in English language notebook. So I hope you all have completed that, and please children, those who have not completed, make sure that you complete this work first of all very carefully, and then only start with your new work which is given today. Okay, so first of all you will write down today's date, that is 10/7/2021. In the first line you will give the heading chapter number 5, nouns, kinds of nouns. This is the name of our chapter. Then coming to the next line, in which you will write the heading part C, as we have completed till B part yesterday. So today we are going to do part C. Okay, so in part C we are going to do kinds of nouns. So for the introduction part first, children, in this page you have to make this cloud like this as I have made. In this same manner, very neat work I want in your notebooks. Okay, in this first cloud you will write down kinds of nouns. This cloud will show that how many kinds of nouns are there. So you all know that there are three kinds of nouns. First one is proper noun, second one is common noun, and the third one is collective noun. Is that clear? So first of all, after making this cloud, okay, and writing the heading of kinds of nouns in this cloud, you will draw three separate lines with the help of a scale. Okay, straight 3 lines you will make in the form of in a separate way, scattered way. Okay, तीनों तरफ अलग अलग 3 lines आपको draw करनी है, and from that 3 lines again draw 3 clouds, small clouds, not very big clouds. Okay, and in those 3 clouds just write down the first type, that is proper noun. In the second cloud just write the second type, which is the common noun, and in the third cloud write collective noun. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood this first part.